Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off or disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate here the taskbar and aligning to that, you can see there a forward arrow. Click on it to show hidden icons and go with the shield icon. Click on it and wait until you are being redirected to the Windows Security Defender settings. Okay. So once you are here, please proceed with virus and threat protection. Tap on it and go with virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings and you need to turn off this real-time protection, the dead drive protection, the cloud delivered protection, automatic sample submission, your tamper protection, and all. And if your user account control is asking you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you'd be able to continue. So this is the best way on how to turn off your virus and threat protection. But if you want to disable that, then close this window and you need to navigate here at the keyboard and press Windows and R key together and type for regedit. The moment you have typed that, please proceed on OK to continue and wait until you are being redirected here. Okay, so if your user account control is asking you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you'd be able to open this window. Where here you need to look for HK underscore local underscore machine, double tap to it, proceed with software, double tapped, and you need to look for policies. Okay, so double tap once you had find it and go with Microsoft, double tap and go with Windows Defender. Where here you need to proceed at the center of the screen. Please do a right click, go with new and go with your 32-bit value and name this into disable anti-spyware. Anti-spyware. Make sure you don't put a space in between of the words or letters and click on enter. And we need to change the value data into 1. How we can do so, double tap to it and type 1 in your keyboard, and once the value data is being set of 1, click on OK and close this window. Once you have closed it, restart your computer in order to complete the procedure. Navigate here to start icon, go with your power options and click on restart. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.